Tesla Model S. I try to put hanger like for trailer, hitch. I got this not complete, missing this part, but this I try to make it after. Most important now, install this one. To install this one, you must take out bumper. To take out bumper is one screw here and one screw here, and every here is holding some clips. It was difficult to jump it out, so I put some like this in between here from the corner, and it jumps out. Also, you must take out everything in down, all screws from these plastics. Also is important, take out this clip and two clips down here, and here is screw Torx like this, and same other side. And after, you just tick 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 from here, and in this place was little stuck. Something here was holding, maybe in between here, yes. So like I say, I little bend it from here with this corner, and its bumper jumps out. Also, what you must do, you must take out this. It was here. Also must open all bolts and put some extensions. Also here and here, 4 extensions. What else? Must make it upside down. This antenna. And I think nothing else. And for me, I don't know where to put a hole here, so I try to put this and try to measure some way how to put here a hole for this one. And now it's finished installed. Now try to find out where to put a hole for this one. And for bikes it will be perfect. Now I have made something other type. I don't put these spacers in between, I just put directly because it's not fit. I have read somewhere that it's need with spacers, and when I got it, it was with those spacers here, but my bumper is too small, or I don't know, so now I put direct and try to put bumper. And I must drill a little bit bigger hole, because 1 millimeter this must up. And I have mounted this frame back because it's fit, and I try to put, and I'll see what will happen. And everything fit like it was. Now I just must to find out where I must make a hole, and I can put this and lock it and use. But this is another day. I made it a hole. Not best in world, but it will be good. And what's now? So we must fit it here. I don't know how, but some way try to fit it here and finish. Here I can take out this, take out this. Okay. And this slides out. And after, here I make small cover with, I don't know, some screw or something. And not so bad. So I bring for one guy to make it. I have made like this, and I want that he weld this part to here some way. And after he start to laugh, and he say it will break after first bump. So he made like this, and he say this one it must hold. So we will see. Now it looks much stronger.